Hi, Rishabh Yadav is going to present my presentation on the topic voice recognition. A voice recognition or a speech recognition is a technology which is based on voice. Let me introduce the on my topic voice recognition. Voice recognition allows a system to create text or open an activity using a speech signal. It can be used for any language. The main purpose of this project is to deliver natural language communication between man and machine. This technology helps to make our task simpler. It is beneficial for many fields including electronic gadgets like we are using Alexa, Google Assistant, which is very helpful for us. Can be defined a system where a computer or a other device are operated by someone's voice. Calls can be made either manually or through voice recognition. It does not require any physical keyboard. Voice acknowledgement is incorporated in most of the gadgets. It has helped the potential user up to a great extent. Advantage of voice recognition. There are some advantage. I will explain you this advantage one by one. The first, useful for disabled person. There are several disabled person who are not able to use smartphone gadgets. They are the major advantage come. It allow every user to use and work with computer and other gadgets. Second, spelling correction. Voice recognition is really helpful for person correction mistake and spelling. This technology only use the word which is added in the system, which means if you do not know the spelling, this will automatically correct it for you. Third, enhanced speed. A professional writer can a speed of 70 to 80 word per minute, but if users use voice for writing a note, then can complete their task more quickly. Some people might not get discouraged because of this painful process. Therefore, to help, this speech recognition device and software are of great help. Useful for language translation. Voice recognition software can be used as a language translate if we add a great number of language drives. It allows user to operate a computer by speaking to it. Fifth, useful for illiterate person. Voice recognition software is useful for illiterate person who do not know how to write words, but an illiterate person is able to speak. Therefore, he able to give instruction using his speech. Hidden Markov model approach. Model with unknown parameter. The state is visible directly, but variables are influenced by states. The sequence of tokens generated by HMM gives some information about the sequence of state. It uses theories for static in order to arrange the vector into the matrix chains. Each code word presents some state. HMM are simple to use and feasible. HMMs are simple networks that can generate speech using a number of states for each model. Now I will tell about the architecture of HMM. It is based on three modules. First module, parameterization module, second training module, and third is recognition module. I will tell you The first, this network switches all speech signal from waveform to vector form. At the abort of this process, there will be a vector denoting speech signal characteristics. Come to the second point. This network make a log in feature vector, adapted language model and model each unit by hidden Markov model. Create a basic structure for Markov model. Third, recognition module. Recognition module give the decision on the derived text it considered as input language module. This basic HMM module and the feature vector of the speech segment to be recognized. This system generate pronounce text as a result. This is the diagrammatic representation of hidden Markov model. I will explain the process. Automatic speech recognition is the ability of computer to recognize human voice. There are continuous and non-continuous speech recognition. Continuous speech recognition engine allow user to speak in a normal conversation style. Non-continuous engine require speech to be input in a more constrained manner. Speaker dependent system offer for the great accuracy and do not require any training. Hidden Markov model to date represent the most effective and accurate model for performing speech recognition. Now I will explain about the implementation of HMM. Speech input. Speech input is taken from a microphone attached to the system's sound card, and sound card handled to conversion of analog speech signal to the digital form. Depending upon the recognition software type, continuous or non-continuous, the engine might be listened continuous for a sound input. In this case, a continuous audio stream will be need to be open or read form. Implementation of this procedure using the Java Sound APO. Now I will tell you about the signal processing. Speech input is taken from a microphone attached to the system sound card. The sound card handle the conversion of this analog speech signal into the digital format. At the point we have a digital version of speech signal. Speaking come naturally to people. When we spoken to, we hear the individual word, sentence, pause into speech. Apply this knowledge to the digitalized signal data. We need to process this signal in order to determine the word boundaries in the signal and also the extract. Hidden Markov model has proven to date to be the most accurate mean of decoding a speech signal for recognition. Grammar. Given a speech corpus which contains many thousands of speech samples, during the recognition process, the hidden Markov model might be search the entire corpus before finding a match. This searching problem is known as can be cause speed engine operate inefficiency, which translate into delay the recognition for user. The grammar can be used to reduce proxy, grouping the Markov model phonos together. Recognized speech. The output for these steps of the process is a string of text which represent the spoken input. At this point, recognition speech can be applied to some applied domains such as direction system or in our case a command or a control scenario. This is HMM algorithm. Hidden Markov model is implemented as a Java object in the technology. Now, the conclusion and the future work. Java is the best programming language which is capable of API. API application programming interface are used to develop the technology of voice recognition. The future work of the voice recognition is to learn every new word and language which are present all around the world. The training of the voice is required which it can learn after real time use. Thank you.